Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and this is my personal experience with the MiJia C1 from Xiaomi. So you are now watching all the specs for this robot, and this is really affordable, so it's less than 200 euros. So after a little of search on the internet, I decided to go for this one, and so I will talk about my experience with this device and what I think about it. Okay, so this is the unboxing. So as you can see, this one comes with a mop. Yes, it takes water and it will do mopping on your floor. So we need to fill it with water. I will explain during the video. So it comes with a cable. They also sent me an adapter, and it works really well. So there is a manual with description for all the parts, and this is the actual robot. More paper documentations, instructions, some safety protections that we need to remove, one in each side. Okay, so as I told you, this robot is one of the cheapest, and the reason is that it doesn't come with a LiDAR. So normally you can see on other devices there is a small tower on the top that is the LiDAR. That's how the robot can see and trace the routes in your house. This one will do it different way, so it will bump against your furniture and always discovering new empty spaces, and you will see during the video. So this is under the robot what we can find: the wheels, the brush, the suction hole, and this is how the docking station connects. Really easy, so he goes there alone. So this is how we open the mop tank to fill with water. I also tested with that some product to clean the floor, and it works. It doesn't damage the device, but it's up to you to use it or not. Okay, so it's really easy to remove. And this is how we fill the tank. Really easy. Okay, so if you are doing some carpets, you should remove this part because it's not required to use the water. Okay, so really easy. So this is the device on the top, and it's really pretty, looking good. So as you can notice, there is no LiDAR tower. As I told you, the scanning is made differently. Okay, that is why it's cheaper from all the other devices. Does it mean that it will be worse than the others? Not exactly. So I'm pretty happy with this device, and I will show you the results. Okay, so in order to connect with the app is really simple, and we will connect with our router, and this is how you will manage your device from your Android device or iOS device. So this part is speeded up, otherwise the video would be really long. So this is just to give you an idea how the application looks and what can be done with the application, with the app, from your phone or from your tablet. Okay, so you select your language, and we can select from the cleaning mode, and we can start from the app or from Alexa or Google.
Okay, Google, start robot.
I'm starting the cleanup.
Okay, so whenever we give instructions for the robot to start cleaning, it also always takes some seconds to start doing the work, doing the cleaning. And this is the robot doing the first swapping of the house. The floor is dirty on purpose, just to see how good it works. So remember to move chairs and all the other objects that you can from the floor, because it will do some direct lines, finding all the empty spaces on your house. And when doing this, it will be discovering all the floor on your house and will be mapping in the application. So I will show you right now that is already scanning and mapping the house in real time. So this is completely in blue, and after a complete cleaning, after 3 complete cleanings of the house, it will be able to give names to your rooms, different rooms, and after that we can decide which room we want to send the robot. As you can see, is mapping in real time. You can see where in the house is working. Okay, so this is how it looks from the robot view. So as you can see, it does direct lines, and this is my house already mapped. And as you can see, I already gave names to the different rooms, and I can select and send the robot only to the room I want to clean. It's also possible to create virtual walls to avoid the robot to go wherever we don't want him to go. Okay, really good. So as you can see, he bumps against the walls and the furniture, but he's gentle and it will not damage anything. And I don't have any carpets at home, so this is something that I can show, that it can climb obstacles. So if you have a book in the floor, you will go over it or something like that easily. Okay, so one of the things that it can do is clean some liquids. So we are not talking about 1 liter, but some drops of liquid on the floor. I made this on purpose. This is coffee on the kitchen floor, and as you can see, it cleans it really well. Remember, you have to put water in the tank for the mopping. So I'm really surprised for the price. It does an amazing job, so I didn't regret to go for this one. So I don't know why the other ones are so expensive, because this one works really well. It goes under the furniture, and not having the LiDAR tower. In some cases it's really good, because if your furniture has a small space below, the robot cannot go under. It's not the case for this one, for this IKEA. But I have another one that if the robot had the LiDAR tower, this one, it couldn't go below or under, and I couldn't do the cleaning. Okay, so remember that for the corners you have to go before with a broom and move the dust in order for the robot to assess that dust, because it cannot reach its corners. Okay, so important, keep that in mind, that if you want a deep cleaning, you have to go to the corners and move the dust in order the robot to suck it in. Okay, so I didn't show you the container for the dust. I will do it during the video, and this is how it returns to the docking station. So whenever the power goes below 15%, we will return to the dock to charge. Okay, I can tell you that for my house it does the complete cleaning without charging again. Okay, so this is how we remove the dust from the inside container. It's really easy. And after this you can remove the filter, and you can blow it on a window or outside. And remember to fill in the mop again with clean water to be ready for the next use. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and think about subscribing my channel. It will be great. It would be great. So thank you, and I catch you on a new video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.